Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Jess. You're probably thinking, what is she holding in her hands? This is a dahlia tuber, and in this video I'm going to show you how to plant this dahlia tuber or to use seeds to grow your own dahlias. It would really help me if you could subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. These are the dahlia tubers. If you want, you can cut away the long stems. The stems are the long wood-like parts that come from the middle of the tubers. For planting the tubers, you need a pot with a hole. Fill the pot with a layer of clay pellets, also called LICA. Then fill it up almost to the top with potting soil. Plant the dahlia tubers of one plant into the pot. The small piece of stem should be placed upwards. Then cover the tubers with soil but leave some parts of the stem exposed. Repeat the steps for all the tubers you have. You can also grow dahlias from seeds. Fill a pot almost to the top with potting soil. Spread the seeds on the soil. Cover with a layer of soil. Place all the pots inside on a sunny, warm spot. You put them inside to avoid damage by frost and to protect them from snails eating the new leaves. This is called pre-sprouting. When it's warm enough outside, you can place the plants outside. When the seedlings have grown, it is time to remove the weaker seedlings. Give the seedlings enough space to grow. To increase the amount of branches and flowers, you can prune the dahlias. Remove the top from each stem. Thank you for watching this video on how to grow dahlias from tubers and seeds. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!